Welcome. This is a 10-minute everyday yoga stretch and flow for beginners. Feel free to have some props nearby in case you'd like to modify. We'll begin standing at the top of the mat. Taking the feet about mat-width distance and just begin to sway the arms side to side. Now, you might feel a bit silly, and we do look a bit silly, and that's okay. Just have fun here, just let go, and just be in the moment. Just you and your body. And we'll begin to slow our sway, coming back to center, keeping the feet exactly where they are. As you interlace your fingers behind your back, drawing the fists towards the mat. As you inhale, take your gaze up, opening the chest. As you exhale, begin to bend the knees, hinging forward, all the way forward. Now you can keep your fists at your tailbone, or you can begin to lift them up towards the sky, staying wherever you feel most comfortable. Remembering that each pose is optional, so feel free to skip anything that doesn't feel right today. Come to something that feels better. And we'll gently release. Inhale, coming all the way up. Use your core, straighten the legs. Release the hands, bring the big toes to touch, heels are a bit further apart. Inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, take a fold, option to bend the knees. Inhale, half lift, flat back, come up as high as you need. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come to standing, hands reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift, flat back. Exhale, plant the hands, stepping the left foot back as far back as you comfortably can. Take your time. As you inhale, reaching the hands up overhead for a high lunge. Embracing all the wiggles and shakes here. It's normal to fall out of this pose. It is a pretty challenging one, so just doing your best here. Engaging the core. On your next inhale, kicking into that left foot, use a bit of your strength here as you come to standing at the top of the mat. Left foot meets the right. Inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift, flat back. Exhale, plant the hands, this time stepping the right foot back. Embracing all the wiggles and shakes as you reach the arms up overhead, high lunge. Be strong here, almost like you're holding a block between the hands. Big kick in that right foot. Right foot meets the left. Come to standing. Perfect. Go ahead and take a big wide step facing the side of your mat. The toes are going to be pointed outward. Tucking that tailbone, begin to engage the core, lengthen through the spine, lifting through the sternum. Inhale as you reach the hands up overhead. Exhale, go ahead and bend the knees, lower all the way as far as you can. Goddess pose. We'll do that a few more times. Inhale, reach. Exhale, goddess. Inhale, reach. Exhale, goddess. And we'll go ahead, inhale, reach, straighten the legs. Come to standing at the top of the mat, hands to heart center. Inhale, the hands reach up. Exhale, take your fold. Inhale, half lift, flat back, Feel free to come up as high as you need. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back into plank, shoulders over wrists. Full inhale, and as you exhale, plant the knees, lower halfway, bending the elbows. Untuck the toes, inhale for cobra or up dog, gentle back bend. As you exhale, send the hips towards the heels, forehead or cheek to the mat for child's pose. Option here to place pillows between the hips and heels and underneath the torso for added height and support. Just taking a moment here to fully let go, softening the body wherever you can. And we'll lift the hips, coming into a tabletop pose, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale as you drop the belly, take your gaze up. Exhale, rounding through the spine, take your gaze down. Syncing breath with movement, flowing at your own pace. And whenever you're ready, we'll go ahead and come to laying on our backs, taking the feet mat width distance and just beginning to rock the knees side to side. Rolling over the glutes, the lower back, the sacrum. We'll come back to center, back stays flat on the mat, elbows in line with the shoulders as you drop the knees over towards the left. Option here to modify, placing pillows underneath the knees or between the knees for added support. You can even place a pillow underneath the right shoulder for added height, less of a twist. Utilizing your inhales to really create that space. Using your exhales to soften the body wherever you can. Inhale, lifting the knees, and as you exhale, take them over towards the right. Option to modify. Inhale, lifting the knees. Go ahead and hug the knees in towards the chest as close as you can comfortably get them. Option to gently rock side to side. Whenever you're ready, we'll go ahead and take the feet to the bottom of the mat. Hands to your sides, palms facing up, preparing for Shavasana. Taking this one moment out of our day, out of our practice, for some out of our week or month, to just be, to fill our cup, to connect with our body, and to give ourselves a little bit of self-care. A time to just simply be. Know that you are worthy of this time, and this space is here for you anytime that you need. We'll rest here a few more moments. We'll gently begin to wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes, rocking the head side to side, maybe bending the knees. We'll roll over towards our right, full inhale, and exhale. Coming to a comfortable seat. Inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.